Hey class, welcome to Module 4. We are quickly approaching mid-semester, which is very exciting since y'all all have been working so incredibly hard. This week we will turn our attention to the connections between dance, the body, and religion. In our readings you will notice how in some cultures dance is seen as sacred and ritual, and it is an integral part of worship and ritual dancing. Some gods may even dance themselves. In other cultures, however, dance and the body have been seen to be unclean or unfit for faithful practice. So there's a big debacle about whether dance is sacred or ritual. So it's a super exciting dialogue that's going to be happening this week. In the first part of the module, you will be providing assessment questions for your peers, and in the second part, you'll be doing a lot of reflecting about your own family's values and behaviors. Because this is a sensitive subject, many of you will come to this topic with deep personal convictions and experiences. My only request is that I ask you to remember as you read and watch and discuss the materials that as a class we think of ourselves as diverse people and diverse beliefs. And I just hope that we all respect one another and just provide attentiveness to each other and receive grace and hope for one another so that way we can have this kind of mature dialogue. So just be kind with your words even though you may disagree with someone. And this week you will read 2 short articles about sacred and ritual dance and then watch a 30-minute video which will show you some examples of actual movements and dancing that is sacred and ritual. You will then all take a quiz on the information just in the video, and one helpful hint about the video is because this video is online, there's a transcript to the right, so if you look at the transcript, it will, if you want to take notes off of that, you can, but you can also just watch it, but you can also search right in the search box about particular questions that are on the quiz. So feel free to kind of open up to tabs or to videos, and you can kind of see that and take the quiz as you are watching the video. To access the video, you will need to log in with my username, afalcone, and then the password is also on the e-learning site just under the video link. So just be sure to use the login information and the password that's provided. This week, we are starting up another set of wiki groups. The first one is Sacred, and that's Lauren Kite as the lead, Kylie Cornegay, and Morgan London. And then for Ritual, Luna is the lead, Marucci and McDonald are in that same group. Please note that the wiki groups will need to read all of the guidelines and rubrics and watch the how-to wiki video. There's a ton of information on there, so be sure that you are looking at those and you know exactly what your assignment is about. If you are the lead person, please begin emailing your group to figure out how you want to work on the project and how you want to divvy up the responsibilities. Because I'm sure the other wiki group that have worked on it before can attest that it's fairly difficult to get everybody on the same page and working together. So the earlier you do that, the better. Following your work, you will need to fill out the teamwork reflection survey so I know who has contributed to the group project, and that will need to be emailed to me. These groups also are not required to do the discussion post, or the reflection paper since you have the wiki group project. Everyone else, the non-wiki groups, will have to post 1 question to the discussion forum and then answer 2 questions of your peers regarding ritual and sacred dance. Finally, you will write a 2 to 3 page reflection paper which will discuss your family's values and ways of moving and interacting with one another. After this module, our midterm unit will be looking forward to current events in dance right now and looking at community aspects of dance and how it relates to you specifically. Our midterm will span through the first week of March through spring break and into the following week. So again, don't forget to print out the calendar, read all rubrics so you know how I'm grading. But if you have any additional questions, you can always email me or come by my office hours because I'm always lonely. But y'all are doing a wonderful job, and I hope that you enjoy this next module. If you have any questions or concerns, just email me, and I hope y'all have a great day.